Who lied to you?
Yeah.
Life isn't about happiness. Life is about life, about experiencing life. You're supposed to enjoy and learn and train through suffering the same way that you do from pleasure, right? Because now you realize that suffering is part of life. It's undeniably a part of life. So you enjoy it. That's why Paul says, bear all things with joy. Why? What's the perspective of bearing all things with joy?
So
that you view them, right, as training to develop yourself, so you embrace it. You embrace the tribulations, you embrace the trial, you embrace the difficulties, just like you embrace the phenomenal sex, just like you embrace the best food. You embrace everything in an unbiased way.
Exactly, because they're all part of the human experience.